Next, we will install these accessories on the Christmas wreath. There are 2 Christmas trees. There are 2 reindeer, 1 Santa hat, 2 snowflakes, 1 Santa Claus, 1 sock, 1 cane, 1 bell, and a bow tie set, and the remaining small balls. Next, we begin assembly. We can first fix the position of the bell. Fix it between any 2 balls. Wrap the thread of the bell around the 2 balls twice. Next, we tie a knot with the pendant and the thread. Finally, cut off the excess thread. We can use a glue stick to secure the thread. Glue the thread between the 2 balls. Next, let's determine the positions of the remaining accessories. Santa Claus and the 2 snowflakes are gifts for everyone to help reduce the crocheting difficulty. Santa Claus has a safety pin on the back, so we can directly hang this pendant on the wreath. Next, place the remaining accessories on the wreath for easy gluing. Now, take out the glue stick and glue the accessories to the wreath. When using the glue stick, only glue the middle part of the pendant. No need to glue the entire area. Install all the accessories in order. Finally, glue the remaining small balls onto the wreath for decoration. Everything is glued with the glue stick. Place the small balls according to your preference. Glue a few small balls. No need to glue them all. This is the final shape of the wreath. Finally, make a hanging string for the wreath. We use green yarn for crocheting. First, learn the correct yarn holding posture. Wrap the yarn around the hook to form a loop. Then bring the yarn through the loop. Next, make a slip stitch in this loop. Bring the yarn through the loop again. Then, make the second chain stitch. We need to crochet 40 chain stitches. Once 40 chain stitches are completed, fold the hanging string in half. If you think the string is too short, you can make a few more chain stitches. Once you've crocheted to the desired length, cut off the excess thread. The hanging string's installation position is the same as the bell's position. Wrap the string around this spot. Tie the ends of the string. The wreath crochet is complete.
Ba-da